Hi guys, it's Bosa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. And today's video is my nighttime skincare routine. This video has been highly requested, so I finally got around making it. And the products I'll be using are the Shea Moisture Black Soap line. This line is known to have tamarind, which aids in brightening your skin. It also has tea tree oil, which is known to reduce the appearance of acne scars. And it has black soap, of course, which is known for its antibacterial properties. I did want to mention that I do drink a lot of water, so keep that in mind if you're trying to get clear skin. I begin by washing my hands because I like to wash my hands, and clean hands are important. Now for me, the combination of a black soap and a spin brush are very important in keeping my skin bright and clear. This is the spin brush I use. If you guys would like to get a spin brush from Mtindo at 10% discount, DM me on Instagram and I will send you a discount code. They do have different discount codes for each brush, so that's why you have to DM me. Now I like to cleanse my skin for about 60 seconds. I feel like that's just enough time for me to remove all the impurities. I also just choose my spin brush by moving around in circular motion. I did want to say that it has batteries, so it's sort of electric. I don't know if that makes sense. This is how dirty it looked, and I wasn't wearing makeup. It's also easy to clean. I just take the brush head off, rinse it, and then rub it over a bar of soap and rub my fingers through it again. And then I'll rinse it and it will be almost as good as new. I like to exfoliate my skin as well. I like to use this exfoliating scrub. I do use it maybe once a week, but during that time of the month I might use it 2 to 3 times because I tend to get breakouts and ain't nobody got time for that. I use my fingertips to apply my scrub gently to my skin. And then apply it in upward circular motion. At least that's what a blog post said I should do. Normally I would let my scrub sit for about a minute or two, but on this particular day I'd let it sit for much more longer because my battery died and my skin looked oily. Then it's my favorite time, which is mask up. This is the particular mask I'm using right now. I have used another Shea Moisture Black Soap mask that is a bit lighter in color, but this one is very hydrating. I couldn't find the other one, so I just got this, and I think I like it much more better. My only problem with it is it doesn't firm up, and I like masks that firm up because then I know when to remove it, but with this one I'm not really sure. I would also recommend that you apply it with some sort of makeup brush or something, because then you can get a thick even layer. So while my mask sits, this is what my old mask looked like. I also like to go in with my DIY lip scrub. I do this maybe 2 or 3 times each week. So while my mask sits for about 10 minutes, I'll show you how I made the scrub. I take 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of organic honey and mix that together. Normally I would add the juice of a lemon, but I did not have that on this particular day, so I just used the honey and sugar. I mix it until it's about a thick consistency, which is how I like it, and then I'm good to go. I take a damp warm cloth, wipe off my mask, and then follow that up with a toner. I like this toner because it has hazel witch, which is known to reduce skin irritation. It also has glycerin, which is known to absorb moisture, and it has willow bark, which is known to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and also minimize pores. So contrary to the popular norm, I do not rub my toner using cotton buds. I like to spray it into my skin because I feel like that way it's not wasted, and it also penetrates my skin much more better. I also like how it feels. I just pat it into my skin, and of course I had to fan my face for a minute because you're not a YouTuber if you don't do that. And then I apply my moisturizer. Now, I used to be one of those girls in high school and uni that didn't moisturize their face because I felt like I had really oily skin. But then a blog post told me I needed to if I didn't want no premature wrinkles. So now we do. Always remember to apply your product in like an upward motion. And then finally, I go in with my favorite lip balm. I like all Vaseline lip balms, to be honest. I think I have all of them. I just apply that to my lips because ain't nobody want no crackly lips. And then when I'm done, I'm ready for bed, and that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys are interested in seeing my morning time routine, let me know in the comment section and I will get to it. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. All the products in this video will be down below. Also, where you can find them will be listed.